Site number 3. We are here in not far away from site number 2, mango plantation, Sea of Galilee, just below us. Over here we have an installation with a smaller one, 3-inch, 1600 square centimeter, the screen filtration area. And we are going to change here also the screen for the new model and the separation plate on the suction scanner. Okay, so we are going to change the screen, opening it after disconnecting all the tubes and the pipes from the drain outlet. Okay, taking out. Okay, this is the turbine kit with the separation plate. We are going to change also the separation plate. And the new screen is over here. This is the 1600 square centimeter. Okay, so this is the one we are going to install. Okay, new screen. We put the scanner again, make sure it's in the center, make sure the plate is sitting on the groove on the screen. Turbine is free, and then just put it back. A very easy maintenance, guys. It's we're talking here about less than 5 minutes. Everything is disconnected and reassembled again. Don't need any special tools. As you can see, everything by hand, and we are set. We'll connect the tubes now, and then we'll show you some backwash cycles. Okay, so in site number 3 we changed the screen to the new model. We changed the separation plate for the one that we injected in Israel, and we put the transparent cover. We'll make a backwash command now. As you can see, the turbine is down now. Okay, but when you open, the pressure push it up, and then the piston push it down. Finish the backwash time, and the pressure push it back again. And finish. Okay, again we'll make another, just a second, another backwash cycle. Before I want to show again, the turbine is on the bottom. Okay, the piston is on the on the top. When we give command, the piston now it's empty, it's full of air. Yeah? When we give command, the pressure push the piston to the bottom. When we drain from the solenoid, the piston goes back because the turbine will push it. So now when we open, okay, piston go down and go up. Okay, as you saw, we also here we need to make the flashing time a little bit shorter, because when the turbine is turning here, it means that it's for nothing, and it's not good because it has a strong suction in this point. Okay, it's continue to suck, it's not good for the screen. So in most of the application that we run until now, it's not more than 8 seconds. It's between 7-8 seconds the backwash time. Over here it's defined 10 seconds. Let's do another one. So opening the piston, then turbine goes up, piston push it down. Now it's turning for nothing. We don't need it. And now it goes back. I just want to emphasize again, the backwash time, it's only the time that we push the piston down, okay? It should be maximum 8 seconds. It's 6 to 8 seconds. That's it, it's finished. Now, you see it's turning for nothing. So we need to shorten the command by at least 2-3 seconds. But as you can see, installation looks very good. What is the pressure over here, Eitan? Do you know?
No, I have no idea.
We'll check later on, but in most of the system we having a 6 bar, 5, 6 bar. The smallest one is 4 bar. There is no any leakages and no any issues with the plastic. And guys, we have a very good product. Okay, what we did, we changed the backwash time to 5 seconds. This is very standard controller. Exactly on time. This is a very standard controller. We cannot play too much with the cycle time. We have either 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 11. It's jumping in 3 seconds. This is the resolution. So 5 seconds. So this is basically the timing that we saw in all the installation. 5 seconds. This is the backwash time in the controller. But in reality, the total backwash duration is 10 seconds because it's 5 seconds down and then 5 seconds up. Let's do another one. It's not turning too much down. Crystal clear.